another water change using Vitality Sen. So this time, yung ping pong or pearl scale tank naman natin yung i-water change natin. So on this tank, meron tayong mga 20 pieces na ping pong and 50 gallons lang to guys. So we need to do daily water changes sa kanila. And siguro pinapalitan namin dito around 70 to 80% daily to ensure na stable yung water parameters niya. So, now na mababa na yung tubig, you just need to shake yung Vitality Sen water conditioner. And yung water nito guys, galing directly from the tap. So, no overdose. So, hindi ko na masyadong sinusukat. Hinahalo ko na lang siya sa water to ensure na yung chlorine and chloramine and other harmful chemicals from our tap water is safe na for our fish. So yan, we're just filling it up. You don't need to stock water if you're using Vitality Sen. It's safe for your fish and it will ensure that the water is clean and healthy. So ayan, puno na and nangihingi na sila ng food. So I'll feed them soon.